Perfect diet partner, low calories in fruit. If you're on a diet, you may have considered concentrating on food for the majority of your intake throughout the day. The calories in fruit are less than the calories you'll be able to find in other food types, after all. Additionally, a combination of the right fruits can give you the daily recommended nutrients prescribed for optimal health, so it is possible to have a diet that is entirely composed of fruits. But some people observe a stricter diet. Calories in fruits may be lower than calories that can be found in other food types, but calories are still calories. For some people, they'd rather ensure that they will take in fruits that have the least amount of calories. Here are 5 popular fruits that possess low-calorie content and are integrated into most diets today. 1. Apples. Remember the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? This is a validation of the apple's premium nutritional content. And apples have low-calorie content as well, so they are perfect for people on a strict diet. With a calorie content of merely 47.0 kilocalories, with the unit kcal representing 1,000 small calories, apples are popular components of any all-fruit or fruit-heavy dietary plans. 2. Melons. Melons are not as tasty as other fruits, but they are very juicy. You can keep away from any fattening refreshments with a melon slice since the juice thereof is sure to quench your thirst. And with a calorie content of only 24.0 kilocalories, melons are a perfect fit for most diets today. 3. Strawberries. Most people on a strict diet are worried about the lack of flavor they will receive from fruits. Though the calories in fruit are ideal for their diet plans, their taste buds are likely to suffer. But not with strawberries. Possessing delectable taste at 25.7 kilocalories, strawberries are likewise popular components of any all-fruits or fruit-heavy diets. 4. Oranges. Not only does an orange possess a low 37.0 kilocalories, but it also boasts of nutritional benefits that can help the body develop optimally. Oranges are popular for vitamin C, which is essential in building up the immune system. 5. Bananas. Bananas are tasty fruits that only have 95.0 kilocalories. Though this is relatively heavy for fruit, bananas can fill up your stomach and keep you satisfied for many, many hours. This makes bananas great solitary components for many diet plans. Bananas can easily substitute for rice or any cereal food. Counting calories in fruit. Some fruits, even though they might be good for a person in many ways, can contain a lot of calories. Calories, which are used to determine the amount of fat and sugar in the body. Cause a person to gain weight and become unhealthy when consumed in excess. Certain fruits are higher in calories than others. It is important to do some research. Or contact a nutritionist who can recommend which fruits to eat and which ones to stay away from. Calories in fruit can be balanced by not eating other foods that are high in calories at the same time. A fruit salad without a sandwich is a way to reduce the calories. Also, eating the fruit in the morning instead of at night is better because those calories can be burned off during the day. Calories in fruit should be monitored. There are many diet plans out there that can help when counting calories. These plans offer numbers that a person should not exceed throughout the day. Each food has a number and should be added to other numbers of other foods. The final number for the day is the maximum. This system has helped many people lose weight and keep it off. Through diet and exercise, calories in fruit can be managed by lowering the intake and exercising regularly. The fruit is a natural source of sugar and vitamins. One should not abandon fruit because it may be high in calories. Monitoring caloric intake and ensuring nutritional standards are met is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Calories in fruit are sometimes needed when a person is active in sports. They burn more calories than other people who do not practice sports or exercise. Having enough calories in one's system is a tricky balance, but one that is necessary to continue leading a healthy, active life. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.